Welcome to episode number 51 of Turning $100 into $1 million, the series where I risk a whopping $100 of my money in an attempt for your entertainment to turn it into $1 million. As always, if you would like a free stock, not one, but actually two free stocks, go ahead and use my link down below in the description. When you sign up with Webull, you'll actually get two free stocks, one valued up to $1,600, all free, all on me. All you have to do is click on my link down below, sign up with Webull, and you'll get those two free stocks on me. We do have another stock to look at a little bit later on in this episode. Let's take a look now at the status of my portfolio. So we have RF. RF is up $3.04 or 14% to be exact. The market is open. It's live trading, so you might see some dynamic changes going on here. Some live fluctuating prices. The market is open. DGLY down 41.14 or 45.28%. Levi up 490 or 18.75%. Viacom up 1247 or 82.04%. OXLC very close to being in the green. Just has to budge a little bit more, but we're at 350 down or 8.78% in the red on that stock. Take a look now at the charts. We have RF up today 9 cents despite the down market. About 3/4 of a percentage point there, 0.73% up today. Just changed. At first the price was 1234, 1234. Now it's 1238. You saw a change there. 5 days though, it stagnating but slightly drifting down. We can see the 1 month it is still up for the last 30 days. 6 months, pretty splendid, solid uptrend with this stock. A little choppy, but nonetheless still in an upward direction. Then we have DGLY. DGLY just down 5 cents today. It was up and in the green at the market open. Decided to go down. 5 days very choppy, just up a few cents here and there. 1 month though, it is still up. It does still remain green for the last 30 days. But you're starting to see this stabilization here. It doesn't really know where to go. There's a lot of uncertainty going on with this stock. We don't know what's going to happen. Very uncertain at this point with this stock. What are your predictions? If you do have any interest in DGLY, what do you think is going to happen with the stock? Let us know down below in the comments what you think. Levi up 3 cents today. Just about 0.2% there. Sorry, down 3 cents today, or down about 2%, 0.2% there. And the last 5 days, it did have this pretty high spike, but then it came off that high. 1 month, beautiful uptrend. 6 months in the green. You could see it soaring here. Maybe it could break this previous high that we saw many months ago of 1607. That was the high. Did it break it? Did it break it? I don't believe it did. Let's look at the 1 month to confirm. It did not break that high from a few months ago, but it's on its way, and if it does, this thing could skyrocket. And I really think this stock could go past 1617, maybe to the high or high teens, low 20s again. That would be splendid. Then we have Viacom, 28 cents up today, a little bit over 1%. 27.62 right now is the price. Down for the last 5 days. 1 month is also down. 6 months does still show that gorgeous uptrend, which I always like to point out. This is picture perfect. Couldn't get more perfect than this uptrend here. Love it, love to see it. Still holding on though. Then we also have OXLC, which we did not cover yet, just making sure. OXLC is down 7 cents today, about 2%. 5 days, you could see it, this sell-off here. Nothing too crazy. We're just looking at under 5% of a sell-off, but it's a little bit of a downturn. But it's still up for the 1 month if you look at the bigger picture there. 6 months in the red, but not by much. Started the 6 month pattern here at only 470, so it's not down for the last 6 months by too much of a margin. But let's look at this stock here. We have another stock to look at in this episode. This stock is on steroids. It's skyrocketing, and I believe we covered it many episodes ago. You could take a look back. We've covered so many stocks at this point, I almost forget some of them, but I believe we did cover this stock. It is Ticker symbol NIO. It's a Chinese company. Nio, however you want to pronounce it. And you can see just today alone, it's up 214, over 8%, just changed there, a little bit under 7.5%. Still about up $2 for the day though. You start to see what's going on with the stock. You start to see the action when you look at the 5 days. 5 days, it was the low, high 21s. You had to fluctuate from the lower end of 21 to the higher end of 21, and then all of a sudden this big spike here that took place over these last couple days. What is going on with this stock? See the 1 month there, even more action. It started the month of October. It did hit 21 and changed in the October month, but it was in the teens throughout September. And then you see the 6 months here, and it's just going up and up. You see these noticeable spikes that will come down. So maybe a downturn is coming, it is ahead, but then it just continues to uptrend. So this is clearly a stock that's going in the up direction. And what is causing this? Well, let's take a look at what's going on. So NIO stock rises toward another record after Citigroup says buy and boosts the target by 83% of this stock. So that's a great sign. Shares of NIO rose 1.1% toward another record in pre-market trading Thursday. That was just before the market even opened today. And this is bucking the big sell-off in the broader market after Citigroup analyst Jeff Chung turned bullish on the China-based electric vehicle company, citing a, quote, very strong order backing, increased market share, lower battery costs, and policy tailwind related to exports. Chung raised his rating to buy after being at neutral since March and boosted his stock price target by about 82.5% there to 33.20 from 18.10. We estimate NIO's accumulated order backlog after deducting weekly shipments to have increased by 100% to 7,000 units between now and end of September, implying a 1.5 to 1.8 month level. Chung wrote in a note to clients, as such, we believe margin visibility has improved dramatically. The upgrade in stock gain comes a day after the stock soared 22.6% to a record close Wednesday after a JP Morgan upgrade to buy. So this analyst is not the only one. Other analysts have followed suit, and this stock, people are extremely bullish on this stock. They're betting on a massive uptrend here with so much more potential and so much more prospective gains. This could be something I add to my portfolio if I were to sell any of my current positions, but I'm still just holding on strong, but I might just want to add this. We'll see. If you have interest in this stock, what do you think about the stock? Tell me down below in the comments. Let's go back to my portfolio now. Market is still open. It is changing. Some of the prices have changed here. Not by much though. Let's take a look at net account value. We're at 175.63. It's changing there though. Give it a second just to see if it updates. 66, 67, 66. Updating right in front of us. But it is above 175 comfortably. And it's pretty much stagnating right now. It's stabilizing around the 170, sometimes the 180s, depending on which day I film this series. But nonetheless, it's doing good. It's stabilizing, and I'm just looking to sell something, but we'll see what happens in the near future. But I do appreciate you watching, and if you enjoyed this episode, give it a big thumbs up, smash the like button, and if you want to see more videos on my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell as well. That way you're notified every single time I do make a new one. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.